Hello and welcome to part one of a two-part tutorial on CSS buttons. We're going to be turning basic links, href links, into colourful buttons. You might have seen them, actually you will see them all over the web. Everywhere has button here. They're used in for everything, sending forms to add to cart buttons on shopping carts and e-commerce sites. Now we're going to start off with very basic buttons. First we're going to create a simple button through an href link, and then we're going to show you how to change that button to different colors using CSS styles. So we'll start off basically with our blank document, and I've already put in, as you can see, the basic web page HTML code, and I've also linked our style sheet in there. That's how you link a style sheet, using the link tag. As you can see, my style sheet is here. So we'll start off with basic button code. Now what you'll notice here is I gave it a class of button, which we will be using in our style sheet to style the button. So at the moment, what have we got? We have a button link, nothing more, that's all. Now let's style that button. I'm just copying and pasting here to make things go quicker. You can pause the video and have a look at what each bit is as we go along. So, as you know, our class of button, into our style sheet, button. I've removed the underline with text decoration none. I've added color to the text itself of black 000. I put a border around the button, 1 pixel black border. I've given the border a radius, curved edges of 5 pixels. I've given the button a small shadow. It comes down 2 pixels from the top and has a small shade of 2 pixels, and that is grey 666, and some padding around the button. 5 pixels top and bottom above the text, and 20 pixels left and right each side of the text. And how that looks after that is like this. Now what we want to do is make that button different colors. So what should we do? Let's start off with red. So let's put another button in there. I'm going to call this one button red. Over in our CSS style sheet, we simply use that reference to red in the class, and we put in red. As you can see, it's there. So we've got our button CSS plus our CSS for red. So the button CSS, which is the basic button, and our red CSS, which gives us this, a background of red with a text color of white. Very simple, very straightforward. Let's do that again with blue and green. Copy over the text here. So we've got button blue and button green. I've just named them blue button and green button there for simplicity. And over back in our style sheet, I've got blue with a background of blue and green with a background of green. I've given both of these a text color of white for easy readability. And we click here. Oh, I forgot to do something. There. Button red, blue, and green. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward.